This is going to be a video tutorial on how to show or hide the bookmarks bar on the Tor web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Tor web browser opened up now. If you look up top here, you can see my bookmarks bar is enabled. To hide it or show it, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner. Click on the 3-bar hamburger menu. Then you want to go down to where it says Bookmarks and click on Bookmarks. Now, being mine is enabled, I have the option to hide my Bookmarks toolbar. I'm going to click on that. Now, as you can see, my Bookmarks toolbar has disappeared. Now, to enable it, you just follow the same steps. I'm going to go up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Bookmarks. I'm going to click on that. And now I have the option to show the Bookmarks toolbar. I'm going to click on that. Now, as you can see, my Bookmarks toolbar has reappeared. That is how to hide or show the Bookmarks toolbar in the Tor web browser. Thanks for watching.